The shift to park warning has become one of the most common issues affecting Chevrolet vehicles. This electronic system problem can prevent your car from turning off properly and leave you stranded. This warning appears when your vehicle's computer cannot detect that the transmission is properly in park position. The car thinks you're still in gear, so it won't let you turn off the engine or remove the key. This issue primarily affects Chevrolet vehicles from 2016 onwards that use electronic shift-by-wire systems. The most commonly affected models include the Malibu, Cruze, Volt, Camaro, Equinox, and Traverse. Traditional vehicles used mechanical cables to connect the shifter to the transmission. Modern Chevrolets use electronic shift-by-wire systems with sensors and computer controls instead of physical connections. The system relies on a shift position sensor and actuator located in the transmission. This component tells the computer exactly where the shifter is positioned. When this sensor fails, the computer loses track of the gear position. Based on repair data, there are four main causes of this warning. Shift position sensor failure accounts for 45% of cases, making it the most common culprit. Wiring problems cause 25%, software issues 20%, and shifter assembly defects 10%. The electronic system involves multiple components working together. The shifter sends signals through wiring harnesses to the transmission sensor, which communicates with the vehicle's computer modules. Any failure in this chain can trigger the warning. General Motors has acknowledged this widespread issue and released multiple technical service bulletins. Understanding that this is primarily an electronic sensor problem, not a transmission failure, helps owners know they're dealing with a known issue that has established repair procedures. When facing a shift-to-park warning, proper diagnosis is essential. The diagnostic process follows 4 key steps to identify the root cause. Step 1. Perform an OBD2 scan to check for specific diagnostic trouble codes. The most common codes are P086, P0807, P0C26, and P084A, which indicate shift position sensor malfunctions. Step 2. Analyze live data to monitor shift position sensor values in real time. This helps identify intermittent faults that may not trigger permanent codes. Step 3. Perform an actuator test using dealer scan tools. This verifies that the shift position sensor actuator can move properly and respond to commands. Step 4. Inspect the wiring harness for damage and connection issues. Corroded pins and damaged connectors are common causes of this problem. Once diagnosis is complete, there are 3 main repair approaches, each with different costs and success rates. Option 1. Replace the shift position sensor actuator. This costs between $400 and $800 and has an 85 to 90% success rate. This is the most common and effective repair. Option 2. Software recalibration costs $150 to $300 with a 60 to 70% success rate when combined with hardware fixes. This updates the transmission control software. Option 3. Complete shifter assembly replacement costs $600 to $1,200 but has a 95% success rate. This is recommended for vehicles with multiple related issues. Beyond repairs, prevention is key to avoiding future issues. 4 simple maintenance practices can significantly reduce the likelihood of this problem occurring. First, keep your vehicle's software updated. Regular ECM calibration updates from your dealer can prevent many shift-related issues before they occur. Second, practice gentle shifting habits. Avoid forcing the shifter or making rapid shift movements, as this can damage the electronic components over time. Third, keep the shifter area clean and dry. Moisture and debris can interfere with the electronic sensors and cause connection problems. Fourth, schedule annual inspections of the shift system during regular service. Early detection of wear or connection issues can prevent costly failures. General Motors has responded to this widespread issue by extending warranty coverage and improving component designs in newer vehicles. Many affected vehicles now have extended coverage up to 10 years or 150,000 miles for shift-related components. Additionally, newer 2024 and later models feature redesigned parts with improved reliability. With proper diagnosis, appropriate repairs, and preventive maintenance, the shift-to-park warning can be effectively resolved and prevented in most Chevrolet vehicles.